Want to record audio on your Apple Watch? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using the built-in Voice Memos app. It's super easy and takes just a few seconds. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Now, start by going to the main menu on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a bit and tap on the Voice Memos app. It's specially built for recording audio. Once you're inside the app, you'll see a big red button in the center. That's your record button. Tap on it and the recording will start immediately. You'll notice a timer on the screen showing that the recording is in progress. Even if you minimize the app, you'll see a small red icon at the top of the screen indicating that recording is still active. To stop the recording, just open the Voice Memos app again. You'll see that it's still recording. Tap the red button once more and the recording will stop. Your audio file will now appear on the screen. Tap on it to listen. You'll see a progress bar along with play and pause options so you can move back and forth easily. If you want to rename the file, just swipe it to the right and select the rename option. Want to delete it instead? Swipe left, tap delete, and it's gone. And that's how simple it is to record and manage audio on your Apple Watch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.